Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can convert your PDF into different forms of file, and how you can convert different forms of files into PDF. So let's get started, and this can be used for Windows. So let's start. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. So let's start. So first I will open my browser and I will just type PDF converter. I've entered and there are some sites, so I will open this one. I will provide the link of this site in the description. You can open this site from there. So I have to first choose the file. So just click on it, and first I will convert a PDF into different forms. So I am taking this one, this PDF. So I have to select in which I have to convert it. So I will convert this into Word file. So I will just click here, PDF to Word converter is on. So let's it is the processing is done. So let's now click on download. So you can see it's downloaded. So let's open that file and let's check. So now you can see this Word file has been opened. So you can see the Word file, it is converted to the Word file. So this has come to help protect your privacy. Protected US block automatic download of this picture. So I will just click on enable editing. So by that I can see that. So it is coming, the linked image cannot be displayed. The file may have been moved, renamed, or deleted. Verify that link points are correct to file location. There is some issue with the PDF only, otherwise no issues there. So you can perform this, and if this comes, means there is some PDF issue in your file. So like this we can convert the PDF into different forms of files. So now let's check another method. So now we will see how you can convert files to PDF. So guys, now I will move to this website. I will provide the link of this website in the description. So first I will show also how you can open this website. So first I will go to the browser. Now browser is open, so we will write same PDF converter, and we will find this PDF, this one, PDF 24. I will provide link as I told you. So in the description. So convert to PDF, we will click choose files. So I will choose this file. So it is will be converted. So we will click on convert to PDF. It is processing. Just wait for a few time. Now we will click on download, and it's downloaded. So now we will open it. So now you can see it is open, and second page is not coming. As I show you, it was their file problem, that is why. Otherwise it has converted into PDF. So like this you can convert a file into PDF and a PDF into files, different forms of files. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye.